Hey.
You're going 84 and a 60 now? Just your driver's license and registration?
Who are you?
I'm sorry?
Who are you?
Who am I? I'm the police.
Please don't shine that light in my eyes.
Excuse me?
I need to see identification. I don't know who you are.
Do you have some ID with you?
I need to see some identification, please.
Al, are you around?
Before.
I need you to head to my location, please.
I need to see some
Where are you
identification.
coming from, sir?
I need to see some identification, please.
Where are you coming from?
I'm sorry. I'm unless I see who you are, I'm not contracting with you. Thank you very much. I don't know who you are.
I'm the police.
You need to show me identification from the director.
The identification would be the uniform.
That's
and
not
the
identification.
Okay, I need to see some ID, please.
Not until I see your identification, please.
Okay, sir.
My name's not Sir.
How far out are you, Al? Thank you. I will get you to turn that off. You copy? I'm at the Alpine, correct? You gonna give me your driver's license, sir?
I need to see the identification from you first.
Okay, we can play this game. That's fine.
That's fine.
Because right now you're being detained by the police.
Are you
outside,
investigating
and
something?
Yeah, you're stopped for speeding. There's a reason why you've been stopped.
Alright. Am I gonna be Are you arresting me?
Okay, I already advised you that.
Are you arresting me?
No.
Alright.
I'm gonna be issuing you a speeding ticket.
So am I free to go?
No, you're not free to go. I'm gonna be issuing you a speeding ticket, as I explained to you.
I need to see who you are. You're being very aggressive, and I'm a little bit agitated with the way you're approaching this.
Sir?
Yes, and
I advised you you're going 84.
if I am going to produce my person to you, I need to ensure that you are not impersonating an officer.
Okay.
So until I can clarify who you are, for all I know, you could be just a random person.
Okay.
So if you can't show me that you are who you say you are, then I'm not going to be contracting with you.
Well, I am advising you right now, okay? You are stopped by the police, okay? I'm not just wearing a uniform and carrying a gun and driving a police car.
A costume doesn't make you a peace officer.
I'm going to wait for somebody
That's
else
fine.
to come to this location, and then we're going to go through that.
That's
As
fine.
I already advised you, okay, you are being stopped right now for speeding. I already told you that. This isn't something I'm just pulling you over for something to do.
You're the injured party.
I'm sorry?
You're the injured party?
I'm the injured party?
Yeah. You're
Have you
injured?
had anything to drink today, sir?
No.
You've had nothing to drink.
Please don't shine that light in my
I will
eyes.
continue to shine that in your face.
No.
Okay, is there any... Where's the beer can that's right there? How long ago did you drink that beer?
Oh. I have no idea.
You have no idea, hey?
No.
Where are you coming from tonight?
Calgary.
I'm sorry?
Calgary.
Calgary. What time did you leave Calgary? What time did you leave Calgary?
What is that pertaining to what you're...
I'm going to continue to ask the questions.
Well, I'm not talking anymore. Thank you very much.
Okay, that's fine if you don't want to talk to me. But I've got another car that's right here, and when he approaches this vehicle, then we're going to have to ask that you cooperate with us. Do you understand that? Do you understand that? I'm asking that you understand that. Okay, because as I explained to you, I have somebody else here. Now I suggest that you talk to me. Okay, I've advised you that you've been stopped for speeding. We are the police. Okay, I've identified myself to you, and I'm going to ask you again for your driver's license and your registration.
Can I see your identification from the director?
My identification is exactly what I'm wearing here, sir. Okay?
And you're going to be operating under your personal liability?
Yes.
And you're not going to be... This is my private...
Yeah, and I
this
don't
is
care.
My,
okay?
this
and
is
at
my
this
private...
Point, right now,
this
you're
is my
being
private...
detained by the
this
police.
is my
okay?
private property.
Yeah, and I understand
and
that.
under the Canadian
okay?
Criminal
But
Code
right
of
now,
Canada,
you
I have a
are
right...
being detained.
I have a right to...
We have the right to... You have to get...
Get out of the vehicle.
You have to give us your driver's license. There's no if, buts,
I don't
or
know
whatever.
who you are.
I don't know who you are.
That's fine. I
We
need
are
to
wearing
see-
the police uniform.
I
You
need
know
to-
who we are.
I need to
Don't
see-
play the game.
I need to see identification.
Right
from
there.
you, sir.
See here? Royal Canadian Mounted Police, both of us.
Do you have
Okay.
identification
Now
from
come out of the
director?
car or come on now. Your way or our way? We will. We will. Yeah, you're in our hands now, buddy.
But yeah, I just stopped him and he's like, who are you? Identify yourself. I don't have to do anything. And I'm like, what the fuck? Like, he's a freak. Either this or he's on some.
Who the hell's the door locked?
He locks on his car. He's from Alberta.
Where you can? You got liquor on the floor
And I
there.
can't smell anything in his breath. though.
I could smell it.
Could you smell it?
A little bit.
A little bit, hey? So I don't know, because he's just a freak.
You can go and
Because I have a
warn the
feeling.
charger room around him and see, and I'll see if I can open that freaking door somehow.
Certain principles pertaining to the nature of Section 8, right to be secure against unreasonable search and seizure can be derived. First, has the accused a reasonable expectation of privacy? In this situation, yes. The ability to regulate access includes the right to admit or exclude others from that place. If you're traveling in common law jurisdiction and you have a means of travel, you should be allowed to protect your private property from people infringing and having access to that private property, especially in the situation where you have peaceable possession of that private property. Short of arrest, the police have never possessed legal authority at common law to detain anyone against his or her will for questioning or to pursue an investigation. Moore versus the Queen, 1978. Deedman versus the Queen, 1985. Information on case law, Supreme Court rulings, canlii.org. In carrying out their general duties, the police have limited powers, and they are entitled to interfere with the liberty and property of the citizen only where such interference is authorized by law. It is, of course, a constitutional principle that a citizen has a right not to be subject to imprisonment, arrest, or physical restraint that is not justified by law, and every invasion of property of the citizen is a trespass unless legally justified. On the other hand, when a police officer is trying to discover whether or by whom an offense is being committed, he is entitled to question any person, whether subject or not, from whom he thinks useful information may be obtained. Although a police officer is entitled to question any person in order to obtain any information with respect to a suspected offense, he has no lawful power to compel the person questioned to answer. Moreover, a police officer has no right to detain a person for questioning or for further investigation. No one is entitled to impose any physical restraint upon a citizen except as authorized by law. This principle applies as much to police officers as to anyone else. Although a police officer may approach a person on the street and ask him questions, if If the person refuses to answer, the police officer must allow him to proceed on his way, unless, of course, the officer arrests him on a specific charge